In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some basic settings within your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refine your store setup, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and accessible way. We're going to focus on accessing some fundamental settings to help organize and streamline your online shop. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify account. Log in with your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, often referred to as My Store. This is your primary hub and will be the starting point for today's navigation. Being familiar with this dashboard is essential as it's where you'll conduct most of your store management and operations. It's a centralized spot where you can quickly assess and access various functions and analytics crucial for running your business. Once you're comfortably on the home page, look for the Settings option. This is typically located towards the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a new set of options for you to manage different aspects of your store. This section allows you to control a variety of elements, including general store information, payment options, checkout preferences, and more. Today, we'll be focusing on one particular setting, so feel free to explore others once you're more familiar with the interface. Now, with the Settings menu open, find and click on the option labeled MS. This part of Shopify may seem relatively straightforward, but it is crucial for ensuring the proper functionality and customization of your store. By accessing this section, you have the flexibility to adjust specifics that could benefit your business operations, such as modifying store policies, updating business details, or enhancing the overall customer experience. Ensuring that these settings align with your business goals will help provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. As you navigate these settings, keep in mind that changes here can impact various parts of your business. It's always a good idea to double-check any adjustments you make and perhaps even jot down any significant changes for future reference. This not only helps maintain consistency across your store, but also assists in troubleshooting any issues should they arise later on. And there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive walkthrough on accessing and managing some key settings within Shopify. By understanding how to efficiently navigate these settings, you empower yourself to make more informed decisions that can positively impact your store's performance and customer satisfaction. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime as you become more comfortable with the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy selling!